Alright, so welcome again to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much for joining me, people. And we're going to speak about two players from the Jamaica Premier League that I think you guys should keep an eye on. Two players. Now, one is an attacking midfielder slash box to box. The other is an attacking midfielder slash a winger slash striker. He plays a numerous amount of role. So, it's going to be intriguing. It's going to be intriguing. But let's be clear. Let us be clear, people. I'm not saying that these players are world beaters. I'm not saying that I'm speaking about Lionel Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo. No. I'm speaking about two players that play in the Jamaica Premier League. The Jamaica Premier League. And they most definitely are two of the most standout players in the entirety of throughout the entire season. I'm going to tell you why they stand out. I'm going to tell you how they play. And I'm going to tell you exactly what you should look out for with these two players. So, before I get into the details, people, please, guys, smash the like button. Smash the like button. Hit that subscribe button. Share the video if you can. Share it if you can. Most definitely, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any one of the updates. Now, let's get straight to the first player. Let's get to the first player. For those who don't know, or those who know, or those who whatever. If you never know, you know, no. Anyways, once you didn't know, or you now know, the first person is none other than, Trayvon Reed. Good. Trayvon Reed, 22-year-old, last season played for Harbourview. He's a Tivoli Garden player, on loan at Harbourview. Most definitely, I think Harbourview will try to put showing some cash on this player. As I said, 22 years old. He's a young player, very young player, and he has bags of potential. I mean, bags of potential. Now, what kind of player is he? Trayvon Reed is a number 10, an attacking midfielder, can play on the wing, also can play as a striker in the false nine position. Both wings, left or right, yeah. Those are the specific position that he plays. How Trayvon Reed plays now is a different matter. Trayvon Reed tends to drop deep, as deep as far as to the central defensive midfielder, pick the ball off the central defensive midfielder, drives with the ball to the either the left or the right wing, and try to create something. He's a very creative player. He has one of those type of mindset where innovative type of mindset where he can do something, just create something out of nothing. That's how it is. Now, he also loves to play with a lot of flair. They call him Samba Man. That's what they call him. A lot of footworks, fancy footworks while during the game is going on. If you watch the Premier League this season, you'd have seen that he left quite a few players on their backside this season in particular and just gone breeze past them. He's very quick, fast, pace is strong, can stand on his ball, and also slippery. Just wiggle his way around the field. Now, in 1v1 situation, he's deadly. He can hurt you in 1v1 situation. Most definitely because of his skill and also his pace. But not only that, he registered 10 goals this season and 5 assists. That's not easy. That's definitely not easy. That's 15 goal contribution throughout the season, people. 15 goal contribution. You have to look at that and say, oh, that's not bad. That's definitely not bad. Something to look forward to. It means that he has somewhat of some level of potential and create damage. So he's one of the players I think if he gets the opportunity to, scouts will see him and he will get, well, depends on his mindset still. He's one of those kind of shy type of player. But if he comes out and plays as though we know he can play, I think he would be one of those surprise package in this tournament. I do think so. So, Trayvon Reed is the first player I'm looking at to say that he's one of those players that you most definitely have to look out for. Look out for him, people. Remember the name, Trayvon Reed. I'm not the first person to recognize him. I'm not the first person. Everyone knows about Trayvon Reed. All I'm saying to you guys is, look out for him. based on what we have seen from Trayvon Reid over the years in schoolboy football, just look out for him at this point in time. Yes, the Premier League, the JPL this is a bigger step up from the JPL, but that doesn't take away the talent that he has. So let us have a look at what Trayvon Reid can do in this mini tournament. Now, next player. This one, I think a lot of people would, maybe there's so much people who don't even know this player. There's a lot of people who don't actually know this player. A lot of people don't know this player. So I'm going to do the due diligence and introduce you guys to none other than the man himself, Nicoy Christian. As you can see down here, that's a more vivid image of Christian. Let me come out of his way. Good. That is Nicoy Christian. For those who don't know, those who heard about Nicoy Christian, that there is Nicoy Christian. Now, he's on the older side of things, but most definitely, he is the best passer in the local Premier League. Now, in regards to range, I don't want to underestimate what the other Reggae Boyz who are playing at the top level are, but in regards to range pass, I think from what I've seen, he's one of the best long range passer of the ball we can identify right now. If you let me see which Jamaican player. Alright, you see Damian Lowe loves to make long passes, right? Those long balls, basically hitting the balls into the channel. This player in particular, when he hits a ball in a channel, it's going to be a pinpoint toe point of whichever player he hits it on. He has a vast variety range of passes. No, I never said that he's Luka Magic. I never said that he's Lionel Messi. I also never said that this man is Zinedine Zidane. All I'm saying is he has those skill sets in regards to passing in his locker. He can pick the lock of any defense. That's all I'm saying. So don't attack me. Don't attack me, people. Please don't attack me. Now, he also, from what I recall, I can't find any other statistics to refute this statement so far. If someone in the comment section know about it, please do let me know. But I have yet to see it. He has now registered the most assists in a Jamaica Premier League season. From what I can see, from what I have investigated so far. So people, if I'm wrong, I am begging you correct me. If I'm wrong and you know that I'm wrong, please correct me. I have no problem taking correction. He has registered 15 assists this season in, I think it's 19 games. No, he played 23 games, and he registered 15 assists. People, that's not easy. That is not easy, people. That is not easy. That is not easy. Only one complaint. People always say, hey, it doesn't really work hard. But let me tell you, if you want a player who knows how to control the tempo of a football game, this is a player. And I say again, I'm not speaking about Andre Pirlo. I'm not speaking about Xavi or Iniesta. I'm speaking about a local player, Nicoy Christian. That's what I'm talking about. So, won't go any further, people. I just introduced you to two players, two mercurial type of talent, two type of players in our Premier League that most definitely for this mini tournament, you should look out for these two players. And I'm telling you, keep your eyes out on these players, people. And I'm going to go now, people. So, hopefully, guys are doing good. Until next time, people. Guys, tell me what you think about these two players in the comment section. Let me tell me what if you think I'm wrong, if you say I'm wrong, if you know a little bit more information on these players than I do, no problem. Bring the information, come forward. Go into the comment section and tell us what you think. And this has been a long enough video. And I'll see you guys again. Until next time, people. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Share the content if you wish to do so. And most definitely, turn on your notification bell, people. So you can get the updates when they drop. Until next time. MG Sports TV, Military Guna TV, people. We are out.